Alright, this is a fucking 95 Celica. You got fucking tanked, the wheels on some fucking weird ass angle, as you can see. The fucking muffler was just cut off, running straight fucking out of the engine there. You can see that tire's a little bit fucked. We're gonna see what this fucking sounds like now. Hopefully it sounds fucking nice. Oh, it sounds exactly the same.
Sounds so much better. Yeah, yo, it sounds fucking amazing.
Yeah, buddy! No, pop the hood! Here, dude, I'll just fucking do it from here. Why are you revving it so fucking high? Holy shit, dude. Yeah, this thing's got its ass beat. Yo, off-roading in this thing was fucking sick. Why does it sound fucking better?